February the 13th, 2025. Grantor Lamont Belton, sui juris at law, transmitting to you from the great sir Perserverando. You see Perserverando. There is a Jay Ladon Dickey ill that had come to this specific port to be bonded. I'm talking about when I get an inquiry or someone is sent to marshal to be of good integrity. They must have a great background. They cannot lie. There will be a vetting process before you are determined or accepted to become an Aboriginal martial law officer or world martial law officer, world martial authority. Now, Jay Ladon Dickey, you had come here presently. You see here. All right. That's your name. You see the state of Virginia. Okay. You see this specific seal behind you is the Great Seal Perserverando, my office. You were transmitted to cease and desist all acting like you're a world martial authority, that you're in law enforcement. You are not. I issued you a badge. I had the badge made. I did a video before, but see, you want to be law enforcement, but you cannot. You have grievances against you, as I did say to you that there was a lady that was assaulted, Jay, by your hands on this specific parcel here. And it was unbelievable to see the actions and the behavior that was bad. Again, I'm going to keep this up. You came here present. You have 6 different situations here. 6. You see, the Virginia State Corporation Commission. You came here, Jay Ladon Dickey ill. All righty? And you don't have ill on here, but this is the name that you had to give in all capitals. Whatever type of certificates that you have in standing with the United States or the state of Georgia. Okay? You came here. Why did you come here? Because you did not have standing anywhere else to get what you needed to get done judicially. So stop pretending and stop acting. You were sent a cease and desist, a quanto, and you called I out of my name in some of these groups. I am de jure real law enforcement, Jay Ladon Dickey. Consul Federal is on my badge right here. I've integrated in and out of circuits that you were just pretending or most having a thought, dreaming that it would take place, and it won't. I have the utmost respect for the civil body that is under default, where you are now talking about Donald Trump discovered fraud. I discovered your fraud here. Okay? And you have 5 of these different transactions. Okay? One ending in 4083. All right? Okay? Seems like there's another one, 9373. Okay? And we can keep on going, Jay. You have to give an answer for what you have done. And I know that these uniform commercial codes, you had to get it done within my thread, in my jurisdiction. We have the pictures of you swearing out your oath before this jurisdiction. You are the first that have committed contempt beyond anyone's imagination to be fictional acting within a computer space where you're not accessible. Someone need to be able to reach and talk to you. I have that specific operation here. If you cannot sit and talk physically with a marshal to settle, and you keep hearing that everything is just one space, one way, and it's just their way, well, take your chances, okay? So Jay Ladon Dickey, you have, as I said, several different transactions that you did here, Virginia State Corporation Commission, which involve the civil body, the Caucasian police that you may be trying to trick in the federal United States. Yeah, they did fraud, waste, and management abuse discoveries. I did in 2005, Jay, what Elon Musk and Donald Trump is discovering now. I've already performed it. And if you look back, you're going to see the links that I've always been active, and I sued the Commonwealth on behalf of protecting it. All right. So cease and desist. As I said, I've already warned you. You've already been served.